Alright, this is Andrew with Yoda Home Inspections. We're doing a sewer scope here in Salt Lake. We are at 1427 East Browning Ave. I have the camera pushed out 40 feet and I'm accessing it through the roof stack. This house doesn't have a full-size roof stack. It looks like it's only an 1.5 inch vent. And so I've got the camera pushed out as far as I can get it. As I pull back on some of that slack, it's actually closer to 30 feet. So I'm not very far out. But I did find another access point in the basement that I'm going to try to go through as well. Looks like a little bit of standing water. And I wanted to record this because I'm not sure where that clean out is going to feed us into the line, and so it's possible we might not see this secondary line from the next spot that I go through. So I wanted to show there is a little bit of standing water, which indicates a little bit of a flat spot, and then it looks like some cast iron. Cast iron gets rough and rusty and will eventually need to be replaced, but then it transitions to ABS, which is a plastic pipe. Alright, and now we're just coming up the roof stack, so nothing else to see here. I think the more important video is definitely going to be the one that I do from the basement. There's an access behind the dryer, and so hopefully that gives us a direct shot all the way to the street. But as far as this first video, a little bit of cast iron, that's usually the weakest link, and then also a little bit of standing water, enough that I was starting to go underwater, and so not ideal, but it wasn't incredibly long, and so that makes it less concerning. But whenever you have standing water, waste and grease is more likely to settle and create a blockage where it could back up, so it's important not to put wet wipes down, not to put excessive amounts of grease down the line. We're going to end this recording now.